Toyou Rotary Damper Applications. How to use rotary dampers into different products.
There are four main types of rotary damper in Toyou Industry Company: vane dampers, disc dampers, gear dampers, and barrel dampers. Vane dampers can be used in different lids, covers or flipper, such as toilet seating, dustbin, topcook hoods, electrical cookers, refrigerators, top-loading washing machines, buffet pots, foldable tableboard, electrical kettles, etc. Disc dampers with larger torque, and they can be used in auditorium seatings, medical beds, chair armrest, etc. There are two different types of gear dampers. Bigger toque gears dampers are mostly used in drawers or sliders. Mini gear dampers and mini barrel dampers can be popularly found in automobile decorations, such as grab handles, sunshades, glass boxes, ashtrays, foldable monitor displays, etc. Thank you for watching our video. Please note like if you like our video. Subscribe us, or contact us for more information.